Biden-era pardon attorney lashes out at DOJ, claims she was fired for refusing to restore Mel Gibson's gun rights. So whether that's true or not, it brings up an important point that I like to touch on from time to time. She says giving guns back to domestic abusers is a serious matter. Now, here's my argument with this, and it's not a popular argument. However, giving guns back shouldn't be a thing. That shouldn't even exist, folks. Our Constitution does not state stipulations on whether or not you can have a firearm. It doesn't say whether you've done this, whether you've done that, whether you have this against you, whether you have that against you. It shall not be infringed. Short, sweet, simple, to the point. Yes, I'm for felons having guns. Why? Because they're still citizens of this country. Any citizen of this country. Illegals? No, absolutely not. But any citizen of this country, I'm absolutely for them having a weapon. Now, if they use it incorrectly and they hurt or kill somebody, they need to pay the ultimate price for what they've done. There needs to be absolute accountability. That I agree with. But yes, I believe every American should have the right to own a gun. Why? Because that's what our Constitution says. It doesn't say you can own a gun if, you can own this gun if, but not that gun. It doesn't qualify which ones are and which ones are not. So yes, I think every single American citizen, regardless of your situation in life, should be allowed to have a gun. Period. And another thing, I think felons should be able to vote too. Now, I want to be very clear. I'm not a felon. I have no felonies on my record whatsoever. But I am a constitutionalist. Almost an absolutist in that regard. Almost. Should a felon have the right to vote? Absolutely. Why? Because they are a citizen of this country. If these are rights, then there's not a judge or a court in this land that can take it from you. Unless they're privileges. But our rights aren't privileges, ladies and gentlemen. They aren't written in the Constitution as privileges. They're written in the Constitution as rights. If these folks are no longer citizens of our country, we need to tell them that.